The Caterpillar 3406 semi-truck is far more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell that this isn't your average semi. The 3406 is engineered with one purpose in mind: to conquer the road. But what exactly makes this truck stand out in a crowded market of powerhouse vehicles? First, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Caterpillar 3406 engine is a heavy-duty six-cylinder diesel powerhouse that can deliver up to 500 horsepower. Whether you're pulling a full load or just cruising the open road, this engine has the muscle to tackle it. Add in a torque rating that pushes past 1,700 pound-feet, and you're looking at one of the most reliable and durable engines in the trucking world. Now, I know what you're thinking. 500 horsepower? Is that really necessary for a truck? Well, let me tell you something. Absolutely. When you're driving something that weighs tens of thousands of pounds, you need all the muscle you can get. Think of it like trying to push a giant boulder. You wouldn't expect to move it with a toothpick, right? Why the 3406 is still relevant. A legacy of performance, transition to legacy and reliability. Now here's where things get even more interesting. This truck isn't just a one-hit wonder. The Caterpillar 3406 has earned its place in trucking history for over 3 decades. Built with durability and reliability, it's not just a truck that you drive, it's a companion for the long haul. Drivers rave about its ability to rack up miles without breaking a sweat. Whether you're hauling freight across state lines or powering through rough terrain, the 3406's long-lasting engine and robust design can handle anything you throw at it. And here's the kicker. It has one of the best reputations for engine longevity in the industry. But wait, there's more. While this truck may sound indestructible, it's not without its challenges. And if you're planning to own one, you'll need to know how to keep it in peak condition. Stick around because we'll dive into that next. The challenges. Are you ready for the road ahead? Okay, let's get real. As much as we've sung the praises of the Caterpillar 3406, there are a few things that might make you think twice. Everything has its trade-offs, right? First off, it's not the most fuel-efficient engine on the market. While the power is undeniable, you might find yourself stopping for fuel a little more often than you'd like. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Wait, you mean to say the truck isn't perfect? Yes, I said it. But here's the catch. When you're driving a powerhouse like the 3406, the trade-off in fuel efficiency might just be worth it for the performance. It's like owning a sports car. Sure, it burns a little more gas, but when you step on the pedal, you're going places faster than everyone else. Another consideration: maintenance. The 3406 is built tough, but keeping it in top shape requires a bit of know-how. Regular oil changes, proper coolant levels, and periodic checkups are key to extending its lifespan. And if you're running a fleet, investing in a mechanic who's familiar with the 3406's intricacies can save you a lot of headaches. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. But here's the million-dollar question. How does it compare to other trucks in its class? Can it still hold its ground against newer, flashier competitors? Stick around because we'll answer that and show you why the Caterpillar 3406 is still the king of the road, even in 2025. If you're considering adding the Caterpillar 3406 to your fleet, or if you're just a fan of trucking legends, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we've got more in-depth breakdowns, tips, and insights coming your way. Drop a comment below if you've ever driven a 3406. What's your experience? We'd love to hear from you. Don't miss out on the next video where we'll dive into how the Caterpillar 3406 stacks up against newer trucks like the 2026 Detroit DD16. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this.